warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, let me introduce myself.
Hello, my name is Rahmadani in Asal Akbook.
Hello, I'm Nur Asmita. I'm interested in your book.
Is a novel at is good station.
It look niche. How much is it?
10 rupiahs.
Thanks, a bit expensive. Can you give me a discount?
Okay, cancel it for I rupiahs.
10 sounds good. I will take it.
Great hand is your book.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.